Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the pad and paint so the tool behaves predictably. Choose a pad with the right nap and density for your surface, then inspect it for dust. Next, mix the paint until uniform and pour a modest amount into a tray. Dip the pad edge first and press gently. This loads fibers without overfilling. Once done, test on scrap. Make sure the pad releases paint evenly, because early control saves time and prevents runs later. You should work methodically, keeping a wet edge so laps disappear. Start with a 2-3 foot section, laying down paint in light, overlapping passes. This avoids buildup. Change the pad angle to reach corners and trim lines. Edges need a slightly firmer touch. Monitor coverage and reload roughly every 3 to 5 minutes or whenever the layer thins. Once done with a section, feather the last pass to blend, because gentle transitions make the finish uniform and professional. You finish by smoothing final passes and scanning for drips or thin spots. Fix these immediately before the paint skins over. Clean the pad according to paint type. Water for latex, solvent for oil. Store latex pads damp in a sealed bag to keep fibers pliable. If you see brush marks or bumps, sand lightly and recoat only after full cure. This prevents seam lines. If runs appear, gently sand the area, wipe clean, and apply a thin corrective coat. This usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.